Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday. Time for a little bit of futures recap. Even though we do use the SPY to trade these futures, I do want to get into a little bit of our trade that was built off the moving average today. These are very basic systems that we teach in the Elites trading group here at Boiler Room Trading and or Network as we are moving. And we're going to be posting all of our recaps, all of our pro trades, and a ton of content here coming up after the 28th. So this is my soft rollout here of the YouTube. If this is interesting to you, tag along, sub up, and we'll get some information here for you guys. So today, we had a top pick right on our algo, 123.23. And this was a beautiful top tick for a short, even though I was not just interested in playing this short. I was looking for a 100 EMA bounce. So we said this in our chat, and I even have a video predicting it, which we usually do here in the class in which we are trying to do. So let me grab that video here. This is today. Should be support for now. And the next trade is going to be either chopping back up to that 50-10 cross, then leading down. Okay, so the next trade is off the 100 EMA, which is the hard green line you see right here. This is going to be your 100 EMA on the 5-minute chart. And one that usually crosses through the 50, which is our dashed red line right here. This is 50 SMA, 100 EMA. We get a bounce cross back up. So this is a video I was doing during class predicting the next move scalp where it needed to bounce from the 5-minute 100, push up to the 50 and dump back down. So let's go see how that played out. And that is back to live here. And you can see where this played out here. Now, this is the dump from the highs. Here's our 100 EMA on that 5-minute. And this is where you caught those support bottoms. Now, that bounced up, and we wanted to push up to what? The 50 SMA. This 50 SMA is, again, the red dash line you see here. And this is where that beautiful algo system works out. This is that giant red candle right here at 950, pushing down into the 100. And further, I went on to say, if we don't break through that 100, we'll get one more back kick test back up towards the 200 SMA 1 minute, which is a little bit different scale for the next short as well. And that's where this comes in. So this hard line right here, this is actually a 100 EMA daily as well. So that 5-minute 100 EMA and 100 EMA both came in at the same exact spot for our bounce play. And then she popped up right here to the 100 and 200 respectively resistance points. Dumped. This was the short move that we had played. And then the next move back up, if it cannot get back over, we are going to continue that cycle down. And the next short target on the 5-minute scale is going to be the 200 SMA. And this is a moving average ride system that I use day in, day out as one of our favorites. Now, we did have Yellen speaking today. We do have the Powell coming up tomorrow. So we're not quite sure exactly what the algos are going to bring us today. But we did have a really cool predictive intraday. This is probably our 4th in the last week that we had predicted before it happens. And now what you're seeing right here is this breakdown under VWAP, under 50. We're going to get that snap. We're going to get the continuation through. And we should end up, and this will be the secondary predictive video, back down to the 200 SMA on the 5-minute chart. Now we got to break through that 50 Fibonacci I have here. And if you're lost a little bit, you'll catch up with a ton of the other videos that we post here about Fibonacci moving averages and standard deviations, as they're some of our best working averages for indicators, all are. And when you're looking for this move to complete back down, we need this 50 to start pointing back down, giving us a little bit of a weakness run, and then hopefully chop back down to here where that 200 is going to catch back up for that next short target for everybody. So all the pop short plays today were predictable, very good leading into Powell, and we're going to see how the rest plays out. So thanks for tuning in.